How to get next day delivery on Amazon. I'm going to tell you how to get next day delivery on Amazon. First, visit Amazon.com and log into your account. Look for the item you want to buy using the search bar. Once you've found it, go ahead and add it to your cart. After that, click on your cart and view the item details. On the right panel of the checkout screen, you'll see the available delivery options. If next day delivery is available, it will usually show up there with a specific date. Something like, get it tomorrow if you order within 4 hours. If you don't see that option, it's likely because the item doesn't qualify or your country or region isn't available for next day service. Also, not all sellers offer it. Some third party sellers have longer handling times. To increase your chances, make sure the items is shipped by Amazon and you're subscribed to Amazon Prime, which unlocks faster delivery options on eligible products.